Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to see exercise of 3 questions as I told you yesterday. So what we are going to do, I am reading this passage also and then I will tell you the answers of that questions, and what you have to do, you have to match your answers with my answers. Okay, I hope all of you have already done this homework. I'm on page number 87, and on page number 87 a short paragraph is given. Read the following passage carefully and answer the following questions. Okay, so the passage is given as the answer to these questions were so different. The king was not satisfied and gave no rewards. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. So this was the passage, and let me see the questions. Okay, the questions are given here. 5 questions are given, so let us do the questions. Okay, so let's start. Why did the king decided to seek hermit's advice? Okay, so the answer of this question is, as the answer of these questions means 3 questions should be there. What you will do, you will write answer like this, as the answers of the 3 questions were so different, and that's why the king decided to see the to seek the hermit's advice. Okay, in that way you have to write the answer. Second one, before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his what? The answer is the king left his horse with his bodyguard. So in full you will have to write, before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard, and he left his bodyguard. Up to bodyguard you have to write. Okay. Third, how did the king dress up himself before meeting the hermit? So as the hermit meet with the simple people, the king put on ordinary clothes and he went to the hermit. Okay, or in line, if you want to see in the line from the passage, so it is given, the king put on ordinary clothes and he went to the hermit. Then the next one is asking write the opposite of the punish in the passage. What you have to do, you have to write the opposite word of the punish which is given in the passage. So opposite of punish is reward. Okay, reward is the answer. Now one question I left. C, true or false? The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. True or false? So obviously it is a true answer. Okay, this is the first one. Now the second one, the man felt better and asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. By the time the sun had set and their air was cool, the king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The man closed his eye and lay quiet. The king tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. When he woke up, it was several minutes before he could remember whether he was or who the stranger bearded man lying on the bed was. That was the passage. Answers. First question, do you think the king was tired? If yes, why? Yes, obviously the answer is yes. The king was tired because of the work that he did and by the walk. Okay, or from the passage, if you see the answer, the king was tired because of his walk and the work he had done for the hermit is the answer. Okay, in any way you can write the answer. It is not necessary that word by word the answer should be like this, but the meaning should be complete. The answer, whatever the question is asking, you can write the answer in your words also, but the meaning should be complete. Okay. Second, then why did they bring the wounded man into the hut? What is the answer? They bring the wounded man into the hut because he was because it was evening. Okay, it is written that it is given here that the sun had set and the air was cool, means it was evening, because it was evening or it was night, you can write, and that's why the king and the hermit brought the wounded man into the hut. The third one now, the man felt better and asked for something to drink. Simple answer is that, drink. Next one, the hermit brought fresh water for the man. True or false? So it is false, because the king had brought the water for the wounded man. Now last one is, write down the word from the passage which means the same as unshaven. The synonym of unshaven is bearded. Okay, bearded. So this is what the answer. So in today's video we are going to cover only two paragraphs, two passages. Okay, now what you can do, I hope in this short period of time you would not able to write the answers. So see the video, rewind it again and again, and write down the answers, or if you have written, match the answers. And if your answers are matching with my answers, then also it is okay. Not necessary that same wording should be there. Okay, so let us stop for today. Have a nice day.